Good morning children, welcome to online classes. As earlier in the April month we have studied chapter number 1. Today we will solve the exercise question of these chapters. Okay, and this you have to solve in your maths copy, and please write in very neat handwriting. First you will write the date, chapter number, name of the chapter, exercise number with page number. Okay, then you will write the question number 1. Write the numerals for each of the following question. We have to write the question in black, or as you can use both the pens. First you will write the question, then this question, then the answer. So let's solve. Okay, write the numeral for each of the following. We have to write the numeral for the number name given. Okay, first is 83,328,632. In this chapter we have studied how to write in Indian names, Indian number system and international number system. So this is an international number naming system. This you have to write in figures. Okay, first is 83 million. We will write here 83,328,632. Like this you will write the question and this is the answer. Okay, now next is 608,002,060. You have to write this question also, and after that you will write the answer. Let's write 608,002,060. 2060. Next is 902,105,063. First we will write 902,105,063. In this way, I have solved 3 questions, and rest of the question you will solve by your own. Next, move on to question number 2. This all you have to write in your maths copy. Now, question number 2 is write the number names. In question number 1 you have written the numeral, and now in question number 2 write the number name for the following using both the system, Indian system and international system. By using both the system you have to write the number names. Write the number names using both. Rest of the question you will write by Indian system, in Indian system and international number system. International number system. Like one question is given here. 2, 3, 4, 6. So, in Indian system, how you will write this number name? Okay, first we will count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So what will be the number name? 23 lakh, 46,000, 800, 25. This same number we have to write in international number system also. First you will write in Indian number system and then you will write in the international number system. So what will be the number name of this number in international number system? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 100,000, lakh and million. So what will be the here the number name? 2,000,000 300 46,000 825 In this way you have to solve this question. This was question number 1. This was number name in Indian system and this was number name in international number system. Let's take another question of this. Number 2. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So what will be the Indian number name system? You will write here 1 crore, 25 lakh, 25 lakh, 79,000, 214. And what will be this name in the international number system? What will be the name of this number in the international number system? It will become 12 million 500 12,579,000 12,579,000 214. Rest of the question you will solve like this only. 2 questions I have solved on the blackboard and rest 4 questions are there that you will solve like this. First you will write the Indian number name system, then you will write the international number name system. Okay, now let's move to our next exercise. Exercise 1.2. Let's move to our next exercise, exercise number 1.2. It is in page number 14. All MCQs are to be done in your book only. Okay. Now in this exercise, question number 1 is MCQ that you will do in your book. Rest of all you will do in your copy. Okay. Question number 1 is choose the correct option, that is MCQ. Multiple choice question. Okay. First question is the place value of 5. First one is the place value of 5 in this number. You have to find the place value of 5 using Indian number name system. Indian number name system means you will use lakh, 10 lakh, crores, that number name system. So what is the place value of 5 in this number? Let's recall. Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So what is the place value of 5 in this number? It is 5 lakh, which is given in option number 1. So option number 1 you will tick in your book. Okay, this was the question number 1. What was the question number 1? You have to find the place value of 5 in this number, and the place value of 5 in this number is, it is in lakh position. So 5 lakh you will tick, that is option number A. In option number A you will make a tick mark. Number 2, the place value of 9. You have to find the place value of 9 in this number. Okay, what is the place value of 9 in this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 100,000, then million, then 10 million. What is the place value of 9 in this? 9 million. So it is in option number C. There you will write 9 million. That option you will tick in your book. Please listen carefully. MCQs to be done in your book. Rest of the other question that you will solve in your copy only. Number 3rd is the expanded form of. You have to write the expanded form of this given number. What will be the expanded form of this number? As you can see, options are given. In options, Indian number name system is also there and international number name system is also there. So first we will count the Indian number name system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So what will the place value of, what is the expanded form? 6 crores, 6 into 10 crores, 5 into 10 lakh, 2 into 10,000, 7 into tens plus 8 into ones. That will be the means, that is option number A. Okay, and B also, that is international number name system. So that option is also correct. So what is the answer of question number 3? Question number 3 is both A and B. So you will tick the last option D, that is both A and B. You will tick D option. Okay. Number 4th is, how many lakh make 10 crores? That is 1000 lakh will make 10 crores. Okay. Number 4th answer is option number B, 10 lakh. This you will tick in your book. Now moving on to our question number 2. What is question number 2? This you will solve in your copy. Only MCQs to be done in your book. MCQs and fill-ups. Now, question number 2. Using the Indian place value chart, write the place values of the underlying digits. You have to write the place value of underlying digits using the Indian place value chart. Okay. So first is 3, 2, 5, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2. Here you have to find the place value of 8. So what is the place value of 8? Using Indian number name system, we have to write the place value. Okay. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So what is the place value of 8 here? 8 is 8 lakhs. So the place value of 8 in this question is 8 lakh. Okay. Number 2. So here also you have to find the place value of 8. 8 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 8 is in 10 lakh position. So here you will write the place value of 8 is 10 lakh. This is the place value of 8. Number 3. What is the place value of this 8 in this number? Okay. So what is the place value? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 8 is in again 10 lakh position. So answer is equals to 8 is in 10 lakh position. So So here is the answer. 8 into 10 lakh will be this. Okay. Now number 4. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. 8 is in which position? 8 is in crores position. So 8 crore. So this is the place value of the following numbers. Okay. Now question number 3. Write the place value of 5 in the following. You have to write the place value of 5. What is question number 3? This you will note down in your copy, okay? Question number 3. Write the place value of 5. Write the place value of 5. You have to write the place value of 5 in the given questions, okay? Number first is what is the place value of 5 here? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 5 is in 10 lakh position, okay? So the place value of 5 is 5 into 10 lakh. This is the answer. Number 2. Number 2 is here, which is what is the place value of 5? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 5 is in lakh position. So 5 into 1 lakh is equals to 5 lakh. So the place value of 5 in this number is lakh position. Okay. Number 3. 5,000. Sorry. What is the place value of 5 here? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 5 is in crore position. So 5 into 1 crore is equals to like this way you will solve this question. Okay, only one question left, you can solve by your own. Now moving on to question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is write the following numbers in expanded form. You have to write the numbers in expanded form. You have to expand the numbers and write. Question number 4 is expanded form. Number 1. This is a question you have to write in expanded form. Means you have to write with the place values of this number. Okay. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. So how you will write? First you will write 1 is in 10 crore position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 crore plus 8 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 7 is in 10 lakh position. So plus 2 is in lakh position, so 2 lakh, plus 7 is in 5 is in 10,000 position. Plus 7 is in 1,000 position. 7,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 8. So in this way you have to write the expanded form. This was question number 1. Now let's solve one more question. Then you can solve by this your own. Okay. Now question number 2. Number 2 is now. As you can see here, first we will count the place value, then we will write in expanded form. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 2 is also in 10 crore position. So we will write 2 in 10 crores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 7 is in crores position. Then again plus 3 is in 10 lakh position. 2 is in lakh position, so plus 2 lakh. Plus 5 is in 10,000 position, so 5 into 10,000 plus 4 is in 1000 position, 4,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8. In this way you have to write the expanded form. Okay. Now only 2 questions are left that you can solve by your own. Now moving on to question number 5. You have to write, in question number 4 we have written in expanded form. Now in question number 5 we will write in compact form. Okay. Means we will shorter the expanded form. Question number 5. Write each of the following in compact form. Write in compact form. Let's see. Question number 1 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 40,000 plus 9. So this question you have to write in compact form. So how we will write in compact form? This is the rough work I am showing here. You will add the following numbers and then you will write. That is the easiest method. Okay. So you will write here. We will write the answer here. We will do our rough work here. Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and here 2. Then 40,000. 0, 0, 0, 4. Then 9. Then add the following numbers. Okay. 9, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 2 and 8. This is our answer. This is the easiest method of writing the expanded form into compact form. Add all the numbers and whatever the answer you got, that is your compact form. Okay. This is the answer of this question. You will add the numbers in rough. This is our rough work and then we will write the answer. Okay. Now moving on to question number 2. Number 2 is 8 crores plus 26 lakhs plus 28,000 plus 700 plus 8 ones. Like I have shown you earlier, we will write this in rough and then we will add and we can get our answer. So here I will be doing the rough work. 8 crores. First you will write 8 crores. 8 Let's check. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, this is 8 crores. Now 26 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 26 lakh. Then 28,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 28,700 and 8 ones. Then you will add this and then write. Okay, 8, 0, 7, 8, 2, 6, 2 and here 8. So what is our compact form of this question is 8 crores 26 lakh 28,708. This is our compact form. Okay, now there only 2 questions is left out that you can solve by your own, and you will solve these questions in your copy. Okay, now moving on to next question. Now moving on to question number 6, that is the book work. You will solve this question in your book. This is fill-ups. Okay, so first question is 1 million is equals to dash thousand. So 1 million is equals to thousand. Okay, next is 1 million is equals to dash lakh. 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. Third is 1 crores is equals to dash million, that is 1 crores is equals to 10 millions. Number 4th is 1 crores is equals to dash thousand. 1 crores is equals to thousand. 1 billion is equals to dash million. 1 billion is equals to 1000 million. 1 crores is equals to dash lakh. 1 crores is equals to 100 lakh. So this is all for today. Thank you so much. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.